back to Oz Homestead. So in this video, I want to show you guys one of the issues that we have on this property, specifically these woods here. And if you've seen some of my other videos, you've seen that we've tried really hard to get rid of these woods and thin them out. Not necessarily take every tree out, because trees have a lot of value, especially when it comes to livestock. So what I'm doing is, I had pigs on a certain area. I pulled those pigs off about a year ago, and then I'm gonna come through with the chainsaw and the tractor. Old Tammy the tractor's back for this video. And I'm gonna cut and thin out some of these trees. I'm gonna leave the hardwoods, specifically the acorn producing trees like our oaks, and then some hickory trees. And then I'm also leaving a lot of the holly trees in, so that they have natural shade in there year round in this paddock. So stay tuned while we do that. A lot of cool tractor action going on and chainsaw action, taking down some trees. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a good video. All right, so getting in there with the chainsaw and the tractor, this is what we have. So this paddock is thinned out pretty good. There's still like a thicker area up there, but as you can see, there's plenty of shade. So it's like almost noon right now. We got plenty of shade in here. Got a bunch of hardwoods in here. I still left some of these big hollies for shade. And then we also have a whole bunch of oaks and hickory trees. So there's a big oak right here. So there's some giant stumps I still got to take out at some point. But what I wanted to do is thin it out, get the pigs back in here, have them on here for a few weeks, move them off, and then get the rest of the stuff I don't want, get in here with the bush hog, get rid of all these like saplings and stuff if the pigs don't already do it. I want to see what the pigs do with this grass. I'm pretty sure they're just going to eat it and till it all back up again, which is totally fine. Because one of those big bags of K31 goes a long way, and it's just extra forage for them. They're regenerating this paddock. Every time they come in here and they turn it up, they're getting oxygen back into the soil. They're adding nitrogen with their manure. And, you know, you just put seed on top of it while they're still in here and move them off. And it ends up looking pretty good. Now, this isn't totally done yet. This is an area that the pigs used to be on a year ago. I took them off. I let it regenerate. I came in here and thinned stuff out like today. And now we're all good. But up here where we're at, up into the house, used to be super thick woods. All this stuff used to be super thick, like back there. That's untouched. But I did probably not a half acre, but a good amount. Maybe a little less than half an acre is what I've got done so far. And that's just with pigs, a chainsaw, and a tractor. So pigs are the way to go if you're a homesteader. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, hit the bell icon, all the things that really helps us out a lot. And we'll see you on the next video.